How to stop verification required prompt on your app store. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are some checks that you need to do in order to solve this problem. The first check is that check your internet connection, whether it is working or not. After that, you need to check whether your phone is updated to the latest version or not. Just check it out. And after you check out your updates of your phone, then go to the Apple ID section. Simply open it up. Then scroll down, and over here you need to click on this particular option of media and purchases. Now click on the option of view account. Here you need to just simply log in and select your country and fill up all the details. And in the payment section, you need to make sure that it is selected as none. And after that, your problem will be solved. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.